Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE, Chapter 1, Real Numbers, Exercise 1.1, fourth sum. Given that HCF of two numbers is equal to 9, we need to find LCM. Therefore, we have already know the formula. We know that HCF cross LCM is equal to product of numbers, which is two numbers. Two or more. Here the numbers are 2, therefore I am mentioning as 2. HCF is already given 9. LCM we don't know. Then product of two numbers 306 into 657. LCM is equal to 306 into 657 divided by 9. Cancelling 3 table 102. Again 1s are 3 4. Okay. Therefore, the multiplication, the product of 34 into 657 is equal to 22338. Okay. Therefore, the LCM of 306 and 657. Therefore, the answer is 22338. Okay. Which is very easy and very important question in point of MCQ. Thank you.